The Phantom of the Opera. Talk of darkness, forget these wide-eyed fears. I'm here, nothing can harm you. My words will warm and calm you. Let me be your freedom. Let daylight dry your tears. I'm here with you, beside you, to guard you and to guide you. Let me be your shelter. Let me be your light. You're safe, no one will find you. Your fears are far behind you.
All I want is freedom, a world with no more lies. You always beside me, to hold me and to hide me.
And say you'll share with me one love, one lifetime. Let me lead you from your solitude. Say you'll meet me with you here, beside you. Anywhere you go, let me go too. That's all I ask of you.
Share with me one love, one lifetime. Say the word and I
Share each day with me, each night, each morning. You know I do. Love me, that's all I ask of you. Christine, let us go and exit